Inis bhuailm don a rá faoi heisiún I maileatha chia le Mac Cárthaigh Cormac Begley a bhí ag Cian Mac. I was strolling the streets of the Coombe, Dublin's celestial womb. I'd a hunger in me belly and me legs were going jelly. I was in search of a bite. When by chance on Francis Street, Libby and her little sis Ruth I did meet. What brings you round here, I say? Ah, did you not hear? They say, come gather round and listen, there's a rambling session beginning, Kerry's descended upon Dublin in Tony McMahon's den. When we're open to chance, we'll know the way, when we know the way, we'll dance. So I ambled onwards, towards this rambling session, passing markets for horses and hops, and oh, there's the heroine owl Dan Devlin mural by Mays, or having strolled these streets herself in bygone days, sure. I wonder what verse Vincent Caprani would have penned for the oncoming gaiety. Then just off a Grey Street, my comrades did meet, for this was a party of pipers, poets, paupers, and worker party politicians. This wasn't the Enniskillen Road, but it was a July evening. This wasn't Billy Brennan's barn, but the bicycles were a-lining, leaning up against stone walls where geraniums were hanging either side of the doorway, where I sat on the wooden floor thrown for this castaway. When we're open to chance, we'll know the way. When we know the way, we'll dance. Steve says, what'll we start with? Not me, another Steve, a myth, and we're off and on, jigs, reels, polkas, tunes, no song. I open my eyes and ears wide, you sense the pride. There's gas laughs and by golly hysteria. Gas lamps from bygone eras, cobwebs catching the light. I spy a spider, slowly, silkily descending into an air built in its own might. There's dusty bookshelves and prison paintings taking us away. Writing desks, stepladders, ironing boards, and not a word, just tunes heard. Young and old ears, a tune to an ancient pitch. 432, a tone your grandparents in Verdi knew. Every key further unlocks this open house. The pendulum on the clock's even stopped, but it's right twice a day. This is the pure drop. No lips go parched, and some are even puckering up for the mistletoe still hanging in the kitchen. Buddha gazes on, spreading good caramel, bulbs blown, don't dim, thanks, Jah. I the chin wag with Etha from Cabaret. Beside the fireplace was an aloe vera plant, and I can't even begin to thank the world for this blessing. There's a ringing on our ears and bare feet are tapping, while rain lightly taps along in time in the window pane. No hurt here for now, no pain for now. I abstained from the overwhelming offers of sandwiches, but with a China teacup, I toasted Tommy Potts, a fiddler and fireman, aptly over the fireplace, and I swig us up for those not here for the bloss. The fairy music is flowing, and I'm all ahus with the living. And we're alive, as the spirits arise to share this space. The white lady is in the window, the blue-haired woman is in the corner. The gales speak the changa, as shocks the chalk, agus a mock outside. Outside of me, a tear rolls down my face, a sweat pours down Cormac's concertina. He plays within himself, honouring us in this outer realm, a raven, billowing out beautiful airs of blasket boatmen. We are taken there. We are no longer here. In this room, in Dublin's liberties, we're at prayer. At church, just around the corner from Vicar Street, ascending all the concrete, attuned to a new frequency, and frequently we are out of our hearts. Of ourselves, we are liberated. We vibrated to each other for each moment of ripple, and I'm in no fixed state when I say I mean we. We can't stop now. Take it all in. Let everything go. We'll never be able. It won't end here now without you. We're on an air, a spider, slowly, silkily descending into an air, casting out in invisible waves. Come here. You were told. Bring a bottle on your ears to the affair. Come get there early or you'll be lucky to get a chair. Come gather round and listen. There's a rambling session beginning. Kerry's descended upon Dublin in Tony McMahon's den. When we're open to change, we'll know the way. When we know the way, we won't feel strange. When we're open to chance, we'll know the way. When we know the way, we'll dance.